My hair on day number 2. Still looking alive, still looking wonderful, and still without having any of my hair out. The invisible part crochet.
Hello and welcome to Time with Ruth. My name is Ruth and currently I'd done some crochet and I currently have an invisible part. So let's just go straight to the point. How did I achieve this look? We're going to start with my blow drying, my braiding pattern, and also my installing method. It is very simple. I'm not the perfect braider, so this is an encouragement that you can truly achieve this look without having any of your hair out. So it's just simply amazing. So this is a middle part. I also love it as well because I can do a side part as well, which is amazing. See, look, none of my hair is out. It is just leaf throwing. It's very light. It doesn't feel heavy. Then I can just go back to my middle parting if I prefer.
So to start this style, I started it off on fresh, clean hair. I washed my hair, conditioned it, and then I just left it to dry. But 24 hours later, it still wasn't dry, so I went in and blow dried my hair. And this is currently what my actual natural hair was looking like. And then it was time to braid it. So instead of braiding all my hair, I thought I was going to have another hairstyle. So I twisted a quarter of my hair and then I braided all the way down going to the end. So it doesn't matter if you braid or twist, it'll still work.
So this is my braiding pattern. How do you like this style? So before I install my crochet, I just thought I might as well oil my scalp. So this is an oil that I kind of made myself. It's got Ayurvedic herbs in it infused, so it's amazing for my hair. And now I'm just massaging it into my scalp before I then sew up some of my hair at the back. So yeah, massage, massage, massage. And this is me now getting a hair thread, putting some thread on it, but then I also put some oil on the thread to make sure the thread is not too dry in my hair. And then I sew up this hair so that it stays intact. So for this hair, for this particular style, I use the synthetic Janet hair collection, the Afro twist. And then for this style, I actually cut it in half. I have done this hair before where I didn't cut it and it was long, so I decided to do a more shorter style. And I'll be crocheting from the start and the going down, and yes, watch how I crochet. So to crochet, I get the crochet needle and make sure the latch is closed when I put it in. Then as you see, the latch is open, I close it, pull it up. And then for the front style, because I'm doing the invisible method, I'm only going to put half of the hair into the hole, and you're going to see me doing that. So I've got the hair, there's a hole, but I only put half of it in, because when you put half of it in, the top part of this will cover the rest of the hair and give that illusion middle part look. I don't know what happened here, but it all came together when I put my hands there. So yes, that is the trick. For the front of the hair, I'll be doing this method, but at the back it's different. So again, look how I do the crochet, but in the back you're going to see it's quite different. I put the latch in closed, and I open the latch, put the hair through, and then I pull out the hair. But because this is the back, I don't need the invisible part, so then all the hair goes in, and then that is it. Let's see again. time the latch is closed, and then I put it through my hair. That is closed, then I open it, put the hair through the latch, close it, and then I pull it up, open the latch, and then because it's the front of the hair, I'm only going to put half of it for the illusion. For the illusion, you put half of the hair, but for the back parts, you can just put the whole hair in it. Hope that makes sense. So we've got these, 1, 2. I've used one pack and a bit so far. So this is the finished look. I will probably wear it as a side parting or as a middle parting, but yes, it is dark, so I'm trying to get lighting from my shower. But yes, I love it. It definitely looks invisible. What I'm going to do is I'm going to back comb like this part later on, so it blends a bit more, but I have cut the hair. So if I back comb this part would be more, you know, I did add a clip, but this is it without. Actually, I don't think I need to back comb it really. Yeah, it looks quite realistic. Haven't gelled my edges or anything like that. I don't really believe in the gelling edges when the hair is new. But yes, I think even middle part in it looks a bit more realistic. So that was it, friends. This is what my hair looked like the day after. It can be a side, a middle, and this is my middle parting. It looks so realistic. Are you going to try this style? Comment below in terms of your experience of crochet, and see you in the next video. If you liked it, make sure you like, comment and subscribe. And on this channel we talk about many things. We do hair, we do psychology, education, finance and many more. See you in the next one.